Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a Chrysler 300 front bumper. First, gather all your essential tools, including a heat gun, a good squeegee, and precise cutting tools. Next, thoroughly clean the bumper surface. This is crucial for optimal vinyl adhesion. Finally, carefully remove any emblems or trim pieces that could get in the way during the wrapping process. This preparation ensures a smooth and professional finish. Now, let's get to applying the vinyl. Carefully position your vinyl, making sure it aligns perfectly and covers the bumper as intended. Use your heat gun to gently stretch and conform the material around the Chrysler 300 curves and contours. Remember to work slowly from the center outwards, consistently pushing out any air bubbles with your squeegee for a flawless application. With the vinyl applied, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully trim any excess vinyl using a very sharp knife or blade for clean lines. Then, securely tuck all the edges into seams and around the bumper's contours, ensuring a seamless look. Finally, apply post-heating to the entire wrapped surface. This step is vital for ensuring the vinyl adheres permanently and prevents lifting. After wrapping, proper care is essential for longevity. Allow the vinyl to cure for 24 to 48 hours before its first wash. Always avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners on your newly wrapped bumper to maintain its finish. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Your Chrysler 300 will look fantastic for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.